Hi, I'm Steven from the team at Gadzoom. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a complete AHA from start to finish. By the end of this, you'll see how you can go from a blank starting point to a fully written compliant AHA in just a few minutes. To get started, click Create New AHAs and select whether or not it's a government project. If government, choose the EM 385 version you need to follow. First, you'll select your job activity. AHAs are organized by division, and each division expands into more specific activities identified by CSI codes. There's additional categories for operations and construction equipment. You can also use the search box to search a keyword. Choose the activity that matches your scope of work, then move to the next step. Next, each activity comes with predefined steps, tools, and equipment that typically apply to that job activity. Simply select the ones that are applicable to your scope of work. If a particular step is missing, you can easily add it from our library of thousands of options. New items appear at the bottom, and you can drag and drop to reorder everything exactly how you want it. When it looks right, click to proceed. Within our Layout tab, you have the option to select from several AHA templates and a JHA template. Choose to include or to not include EM 385 references and the additional signature sheet. Also, you can select to include language translations. For example, if you select Spanish translation, your AHA will automatically generate to PDF in both English and Spanish. There are 46 different language options that can be included. Next, take a few seconds to enter your project information. If you're creating multiple AHAs in this set, your contract information will populate all the AHAs with the same information when generated. Now we move into the preview page. This is where Gadzoom really does the heavy lifting. Based on your selections, the platform automatically builds out hazards, controls, RAC codes, EM 385 references, if applicable, training requirements, and inspection requirements. At this point, your AHA is already fully written. You're just reviewing and refining. If you need to make changes, just click into any row. You can edit text, adjust the RAC, or customize anything to fit your project. You can also add notes, enter names of competent persons, and make any final adjustments before generating. Everything is fully editable, so you're never locked into default content. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Gadzoom instantly converts your AHA into a clean, formatted PDF. If you've created multiple AHAs, you can download them individually or all together as a zip file. If you selected a language translation, you'll see the English version followed by the other language you selected. Your AHA is also automatically saved in your documentation vault. From here, you can choose to send out for electronic signatures or approval, edit, duplicate for another project, or download. So nothing gets lost and everything stays organized. And that's how you go from start to finish creating an AHA in Gadzoom. What used to take hours or even days can now be done in just a few minutes with fully written, compliant, and customizable results. Be sure to check out our other videos, and thanks for watching.